Hey guys, I'm Jitendra here. So today I'm with a big time domainer guy, and so he will just introduce himself to that how he got into this domain industry. So please sir, introduce yourself sir.
Hi, Jitendra. I'm Arvind. I'm based out of Hyderabad.
Yeah.
I'm a full-time domainer since 2002.
Yeah.
So I, buy and sell domain names.
Great.
Full-time occupation. So I've been in the business since 2002. I own about 6,000 names now, all .coms.
All .com domains you have right now.
I don't
Great.
buy any other
Great.
extensions.
Okay.
Just stick to .com because I believe that's the way to go.
So how did you enter into this business, domain business? How did you enter into this business, domain?
Well, in about 2002, a friend of mine
Yep.
and I bought a domain name and then eventually sold. Not for a lot of money, but
Okay.
that got me interested. I started collecting names or rather buying names.
Okay, great. So who are your mentors in this industry, domain industry? Who you follow right now?
Oh yeah, there two individuals out there. Actually just one right now.
Okay.
But one Mr. Ian Andrew, a .com agency,
Okay.
is based out of England.
England.
He and Mr. Now he isn't anymore.
Okay.
He passed away a couple of years ago. Gal Lickman,
Okay.
from Mrs. Jello. They both were, very crucial in, shaping me as a domainer. They were mentors.
Okay.
Mentors for a long time.
Okay, so how much money you made till right now? If you're comfortable to share your income resource, that how much money you make per month from this domain business?
That could be, difficult to quantify. But let me go back and tell you this way.
Yeah. Okay.
I have about 6,000 names.
6,000 domain. Yeah.
Yeah, and I yearly sell about 1% to 2% of my portfolio.
Okay. Great.
And then I don't sell under $900. So
$900.
So
Okay.
you can do the math out.
Okay, $900. So how did your family reacted when you decided to run a domain business? Because in India, it's a very stigma that if you want to do your own business, the family don't support you always. So
Yeah, I was lucky enough to go back and have my parents who just let me go do what I wanted to.
okay,
So
great.
it came easy, and then I was quite, I've never had any kind of pressure to go
The
back and
problems
say,
you don't have.
fall in line with everyone else.
Okay.
So they let me be, and then I'm thankful to them for that.
So okay, so you are happy with your business right now. This domain business is giving you freedom to roam around the world. You can meet and big time
it
domain.
gives me the money to play around, and
Yeah.
it gives me the time. When I enjoy
Freedom.
my time.
Yeah.
I enjoy my time working on the domains.
Yeah.
But now I'm getting old, so is my passion. It's
Yeah.
fading. So I won't. I will not. I have to go back and tell you that I'm just exactly not as passionate as I was about 2002.
Yeah.
But I'll perhaps find something else to do if I lose interest totally in this.
So what's your plan for the next 5 years? Your plan?
I won't be in the domain industry for that long.
Okay.
I essentially will see. I see myself doing something.
Real estate business?
No.
Okay.
I like to go back and do something different. Something nice. But I'm not so sure what I want to do.
Okay.
But I guess my domains will help me go back and make enough money to go back and
Okay.
start off on a new one.
Great. So these are your plans for the next 5 years, or if you get bored with this domain business right now?
5 years is too long in these times. So I rather would want to go back and plan for the next 6 months. 6 months I'm going to be in this industry and then perhaps sell out, make money, and then move on to the new thing.
Okay. Do you own any blogs? Do you?
No. Unfortunately, I have very little to go back and tell people.
Okay.
But somebody approaches me, asks me, I'm actually happy to go back and tell. I've never done much for the community, but I would want to change that. I would want to go back and tell,
Great.
newbies, whatever I know. I don't have a blog, but I'm pretty active on Facebook. So you need to go back and get in touch with me. You can do that.
Okay. So what are the best suggestions you would like to give to newbies who want to enter into this business, domain business?
Yeah, that's not going to be difficult to go back and, to tell. See, stick to .coms.
Stick to the .com domains. The main session. Yeah. First session.
Yeah. Don't get carried away. Just go back and do your research. Find names that perhaps have upside value.
Okay.
Don't fully price them. It means that if you pay the end user prices, then you're stuck with them because you're not going to
Yeah.
profit
Right.
from them anymore.
Yeah.
So work hard. Don't ever develop this this feeling, this self pity that you don't have the money to go back and back up.
Yeah.
Domaining is an expensive business.
It's Expensive business, right.
spend your money well. Don't think that if you don't have the money, you
Yeah.
can't fare well. I started with nothing, so and I came this far.
So from the scratch you started. Yeah.
So I just put whatever I learned from the business back into the business. I took it this far.
Okay.
So if I could do it, anyone can do it. So don't go with the thought that you need money to succeed in business. It's about 99% perspiration.
Okay.
The rest is
So how many hours you give to this business? How many hours a day?
I work 7 days a week.
7 days a week. These guys is working.
And I think for many years now, I've been doing 50 hours.
50 hours. Okay. Okay, guys. So it's raining, guys. So guys, I would like to thank this guy for his interview. So I hope you enjoyed the interview. I will soon feature this on YouTube. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Yeah.